guys, so this is day 3 of my 10-day challenge. Yeah, I'm going to be shaving every day for 7 more days after this. Now, yesterday's shave, guys, wasn't the best. I used the Bic metal and it just didn't stand up to what I would consider a good shave, especially if you're shaving day after day. But today I'm more confident that I'll have a comfortable shave because I'm going to be using this. I mean, in terms of a cartridge razor, the best manufacturer you're going to get, the best a man can get. You're looking at the Gillette Proglide Power. All right, so we'll unbox this. I'll get to the marketing hype and we'll have, hopefully, a nice, easy, comfortable shave. Also, I'm going to be kind to my skin today with my pre-shave and shave routine. I'm going to start off with Nivea Men Sensitive Skin Face Wash, sent to me by my boy B-Man. I'm going to follow that up with Nivea Men Sensitive Shave Cream. Again, B-Man sent me the care pack. And for the post-shave, you got it, Nivea Men Sensitive Post-Shave Balm. The face is a little sensitive after yesterday's shave, guys. So I've got to be nice, and it's great to have a good friend like B-Man who's taking care of my sensitive face. I'm going to be using my beautiful FM brush, one of my favorites now. This is the synthetic badger hair brush, antimicrobial, so it fights bacteria. And in today's world, guys, that's good to have. Also going to be using my Shave Nation lather bowl. This is the indestructible. You can throw it down a flight of stairs. You can run over it with a car. We're not going to be doing anything like that. We're just going to be shaving with it in this nice bubble gum. This was sent to me by my boy Mike Vance. Thank you, Mike Vance. Now, as always, all the products I'm showing or featuring today, there's going to be a link in the description box so you can pick them up. Have them sent to you from Amazon. You'll be doing something for you, something for me. Guys, that's a win-win. Now, I also want to highlight reaching a milestone. Just yesterday, I surpassed 24,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribed to this channel. You guys are awesome. Let's keep getting more subscribers. I also, about a month ago, eclipsed 5 million views. So just some channel highlights for you guys. I can't thank you enough for watching. But what am I waiting for? Let's get to the shave. Again, I'm shaving every day. I got a nice little 5 o'clock shadow going. But I'm feeling a little rugged, guys. So I'm going to take my time. I'm going to steam up. I'm going to open the pores. I'm going to use my sensitive face wash. And I'm going to clean all the oils in the day off of this ragged face. That feels good, guys. Just a little bit'll do. Got a nice citrus smell to it. You want to go with near hot water, guys. Never hot water, because you don't want to damage your skin. So I'm going to leave my face moist. I'm going to open this up. We'll do an unboxing. Love the new packaging. Recycled cardboard. Much easier to open. In the box, we have this beautiful, beautiful Power Gillette Proglide razor. Battery's already loaded up. It's a strong current going through here. So the marketing rub is that when you use the power, you're sending a vibration through the handle, up through the cartridge head that stimulates the hairs, makes them stand up, makes them easier to clip and cut. 5 blades of fun, guys. We've got a pivoting head. We've got your rubber guide at the bottom, lubrication strip up top, precision trimmer on the back, and Flexball Technology. So you're not only pivoting this way, the head of that cartridge is gonna go with the contours of your face. This is the top technology that Gillette has to offer for their cartridge razors, guys, with the exception of the heated razor. But look at that. Beautiful, very nice. Hefty. You've got the added heft of the battery that's inside, but it comes preloaded with a battery. There you go. Duracell, can't get better than that. Let's twist that back on and we're ready to go. Here's our Nivea Men shaving cream for sensitive skin. I'll just drop a little bit of that into the shaving bowl. Synthetic badger hair doesn't need to be soaked. I'll just apply a little bit of water. And let's make some foam, guys. Oh, that really quickly makes a nice lather. Let's apply the foam. Oh, nice. That is nice. Again, a nice lemony, citrusy smell to it. Thick and rich, guys. I can make more lather. Calming, soothing. I want to thank my boy B-Man for sending this to me. And let's get right into it. We're going to be shaving with the grain. The power is on. And make sure you've got a nice, oh yeah, night and day. What a difference a day makes, guys. Want to use light pressure. Let the weight of the device do the work. And you also want to take your time. Very, very nice, guys. No tugs, no grabs, just smooth, guys. Smooth. Nice. Let's go for a second pass, guys. Wow, nice. Guys, since I'm shaving every day, I really don't need to do 2 passes, and a couple of viewers noted that, but you're here, right? So I might as well give it to you. And I'm going to show you, with good technique, you can make it through. Let's activate the power again. I'm going to do an against the grain pass. I'm going to flip the razor up, and I'm going to shave against the grain, guys. Nice. Take your time. Do it right. Light pressure. You're not digging, guys. No digging. What I will say is this new power design seems to emit a little bit more power than I'm used to. And like I said yesterday, when you start to feel, if you're starting to feel a little bit of pain, you want to pull back. No need to dig, guys. I'm going to use the precision trimmer. And attend to the nooks and crannies. But guys, I mean, you can't get much better than that. No nicks, no tugs, no weepers, no irritation to speak of. I'm feeling good. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to rinse off with cold water, close the pores up, and we'll add the aftershave. We'll finish it up with the Nivea Sensitive Post-Shave Balm, courtesy of B-Man. Just a little bit will do. For the sensitive man. No nicks, no tugs, no irritation. Much better feeling than I had yesterday. You know Gillette does a great job. So, guys, the Gillette Proglide Power Flexball Razor, average guy tested, average guy approved. B-Man's Nivea group of products, average guy tested, average guy approved. And my beautiful FM brush synthetic badger hair. Look at all the cream that's made. Again, guys, I'm going to be selling these. So if you're interested in purchasing one of these brushes, just drop a comment and I'll get you the information. Look at all that foam. You could save that and use it for the next shave. All right, guys, for the next shave, I think I'm going to get away from the multi-blades and go back to the single blade. This is the new Twig from Leaf. This will be my next shave, guys. It's a single blade, beautifully designed, beautifully sculpted razor. And that'll be tomorrow's shave. So you want to check this out. Guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching today. I will see you tomorrow on day 4. Again, 10 days, 10 shaves. We'll see if my face will last. But right now, it's feeling good, guys. Look at that. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play.